Today we are to factorize 24x raised to the power 4 plus 18x raised to the power 3 plus 3x squared. Alright, so I welcome you once again to my channel. So as we have been doing it all the time, today we are going to solve this question, okay? Factorize completely 24x raised to the power 4 plus 18x raised to the power 3 plus 3x raised to the power 2 or 3x squared. Okay, so first let's find the HCF of 24, 18, and 3. And this is equal to what? 3. So the HCF of 24, 18, and 3 is what? 3. Okay. So let's now take the variables. That is x raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 3, and x raised to the power 2. And then pick the variable with the smallest power, okay? And this is what? X raised to the power 2, okay? So the variable with the smallest power is what? X raised to the power 2. All right. So the HCF of 24x raised to the power 4, 18x raised to the power 3, and then 3x squared is now 3x squared. I hope you are following it. Okay, so we are going to divide all the terms by 3x squared. So we take 24x raised to the power 4 and then divide it by the HCF, which is for 3x squared. And this is equal to what? 8x raised to the power 4 minus 2, which is equal to what? 8x squared. Then we take 18x raised to the power 3, then we divide it by the HCF, which is what? 3x squared. This is also equal to what? 6x raised to the power 3 minus 2, which is what? 6x. Then we take the last term, which is what? 3x squared, then we divide it by the HCF, which is what? 3x squared. And this is equal to what? 1. I hope you are following it. So dividing 24x raised to the power 4 by the HCF, we got what? 8x squared. And then dividing 18x raised to the power 3 by the HCF, we got what? 6x. And then dividing 3x squared by the HCF, which is 3x squared, we got what? 1. I hope you are following the steps. All right, so what we are going to do now is we are going to multiply the HCF, which is what? 3x squared, by the sum of the results, okay? So we have 3x squared multiplying 8x squared plus 6x plus 1 in a bracket. Okay, so when we look at the expression in the bracket, it's what? A quadratic trinomial, okay? So we are going to factorize this quadratic trinomial, okay? So we have 8x squared plus 6x plus 1. So we're going to multiply the coefficient of x squared by the constant. That is 8 times 1. And this is equal to what? 8. So we take two numbers that when we multiply, we are going to get 8. But when we add, we are going to get a coefficient of x, which is what? 6. And these numbers are 4 and then 2, okay? So we are going to represent the middle term. That is 6x by 4x and then 2x. I hope you understand. So we have 8x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 1. So let's use the grouping method to factorize it. So we have 8x squared plus 4x in the brackets plus 2x plus 1 in a bracket. So we are going to factorize each group, okay? So we take 8x squared plus 4x, and this is equal to 4x outside the bracket multiplying 2x plus 1 in the bracket. Then we take the second group, that is 2x plus 1 in the bracket. And this is also equal to what? Plus 1 outside the bracket multiplying 2x plus 1 in the bracket. So we are going to factor out the common binomial, okay? And this is equal to 2x plus 1 in the bracket multiplying 4x plus 1 in the bracket. So to factorize 8x squared plus 6x plus 1, we got what? 2x plus 1 in the bracket multiplying 4x plus 1 in the bracket. So to get the final answer, we are going to combine the HFC, that is 3x squared, with the factorized expression, that is 2x plus 1 in the bracket times 4x plus 1 in the bracket. Okay, so we are going to get what? 3x squared multiplying 2x plus 1 in a bracket multiplying 4x plus 1 in a bracket as our final answer. So to factorize 24x raised to the power 4 plus 18x raised to the power 3 plus 3x raised to the power 2, our final answer is what? 3x squared multiplying 2x plus 1 in the bracket times 4x plus 1 in the bracket. Please make sure you share the videos with your friends, okay? Make sure you share the videos with your friends. Thank you.